So you are certified, isn't it, when you are here?
Yes.
Yeah. What can I say? I can't say anything. Just ask, because all are certified. All are certified. It's a challenge, you know. Guruji, when started gave first certificates to London, there are few people from England. You know, first few certificates when he gave it to South Africans and London. That's the first time. And they wanted, why? Because they said, otherwise we can't teach. If the certificate is there, we can teach and we can carry the message what you have given. And that's the first time he gave the certificate. But in that, what he said, you know, and that is there in Ashtadala Yogamala. His first lecture is there in Ashtadala Yogamala. He says that I am certifying you, it means that now your eyes should open. Certificate is given to see that your eyes are open so that you are able to find out. When you are spreading, it's not just spreading. Because now in India also we have got the election going on. So that kind of propaganda is different thing. It's not just propagating the thing. The right thing should go. So you need to learn again. You did your Shirshasana. But when others are doing, are you able to see that? So your certificate is meant to open the door for the knowledge to come more, not the closing. I cannot say, oh, I am certified, I need not do anything now, because I have got certificate. Then I am closed. Certificate is a door open to study further with the depth. So you understand, madam, what I said? Where is she? So the certified teacher has to open their eyes. Oh, I am certified now. What next I have to see now? Am I doing it correctly? Am I telling them correctly? Or did I go wrong in explanation? Did I go wrong in showing them what I am supposed to do? It doesn't mean they have got it. Now, if it's a profession, suppose if I'm an engineer, I have got certificate, engineer certificate. After all, engineering work I do for what purpose? I need to have my food and boarding, lodging, everything should be in the safe in my life. There, the skill is not expected. The skill will be expected really if I am an engineer from inside to say, oh, I can do this something. Otherwise, I will get my money every month as a salary or whatever. You understand? So the money problem is solved. I am an engineer, certificate is there, money problem, food problem is solved, money problem is solved. Then what I am supposed to do? Have I to stop or I have to proceed? New ideas can come. Can I go with the new ideas, new creativity, or I have to stop myself? You cannot treat yoga in that manner. You understand? It cannot be a profession for eating and having a house and making the money. Why 10 times I asked to correct Peter? I asked Paula, I asked Ali to correct. What I have got to do with it? Nothing. What you have paid, he has paid. You understand? So what? But humanitarian this thing, correct? Because now we have understood his problem. When we have understood his problem, let us see what further can be corrected. And he said already that I feel better. You understand? That is what, and for us also is a challenge. Oh, he has such a big problem. He gets tired soon, he said. He can't then even walk or do anything. So how am I to help? This feeling has to be there, isn't it? So every asana should be with japa, artha and bhavana. You cannot have just a japa. You do just japa. Today I did standing, I did trikonasana, parshvakonasana, ardhachandrasana, whatever. I did shirshasana, sarvangasana. Oh, tomorrow is back bending day. A to Z, whatever back bending I can do, I will do back bending. Day after tomorrow is forward bend, I can just do forward bend, whatever I know. That is not the thing. That is a part of it, accepted. But you have to open yourself to that now to find out what's coming, what is not coming, where it happened. Did it go from Annamaya Kosha to At least Manomaya Kosha I said to this lady, isn't it? When I took on the platform. So you have to penetrate like that. It's not a department, Annamaya, it's over. Now Pranamaya, it's over. Now Manomaya, over. Vijnanamaya, over. Tick mark. Anandamaya. It's not like that. It's in every small area you have to reach up to the Anandamaya. So first is painful process to extend the thumb. Then that thumb is connecting where to what. How my pain is lessening in that area. Oh, why I am feeling elated. Why mind is calm. First it was paining, arthritic condition. Now there is pain, but I am feeling nice. Freedom. This kind of thing has to happen, no? Otherwise, what is the point in that kind of doing? Did you understand what I said? So you need a shoulder belt. One day it will just come out, unknowingly. Your left arm just may come out from the shoulder, because your shoulder blade is already tilting, no pain, but it itself is saying if the blade is going out, somewhere the muscles are giving way.